Perfect. All right, welcome everyone. My name is Arian Azmoudeh, and I'm excited to share research on stock price trend prediction using machine learning and sentiment analysis. And my advisor was Dr. Suman Saha, and it's 2024, and you can find about me in my website, and also you can contact me with my email. Well, first of all, we have tried to introduce our study and talked about background, methodology, result, and after all, I tried to speak about our conclusion. And if you have any question, I'm really happy to answer. Okay, let's dive into the objective of our study. So the main aim here is to enhance the accuracy of stock price prediction by combining sentiment analysis with advanced machine learning models. So this integration approach helps us create a more comprehensive tool for investors and actually allowing them to make better informed decisions. So there's a question, why is this really important? Because as we all know, accurate stock price prediction are incredibly valuable in the financial world. So they can significantly influence investment strategy and risk management. However, predicting stock price is not really easy task due to the unpredictable nature of the stock market. So various factors from economic condition to investor sentiment plays a role in driving this price. So this is where our approach comes in. So by incorporating both quantitative data like historical price and qualitative actually sentiment analysis, such as the emotional tone of the news article, social media post, and other things, we aim to actually create a more reliable prediction model. So this is actually a dual approach, help us capture a better picture of the stock market, and thus improving our prediction. I'm in the stock market for, I don't know, maybe 5 years. So actually this is it's drawn from my own experience also. Okay. Let's dive in the background of our study by first understanding the challenge we face in predicting the stock price. Stock price prediction is it's a really hard job because it's influenced by a vast array of variables. This includes companies' performance, economic condition, industry trends, investor sentiment, market speculation, and lots of more. And these factors don't operate in isolation. They interact the complex and often unpredictable way. So this complexity makes it tough to create a model that can accurately forecast future price movement. So to give you a simple example, a company might report excellent financial results, but if the overall economic conditions are poor, or if there's negative sentiment among investors due to unrelated market events like war or other thing, the stock price might not rise as expected. So let's look at the actual previous study, which shown us that there are a really strong correlation between social media activities, especially tweets from X or Twitter, and the stock price in the fluctuation. So tweets can reflect the market mood and can influence investor behavior. And moreover, combining different type of analysis like fundamental analysis and other actually type of this analysis can help us to we can use this kind of information to look at the past data of the market and can provide a more comprehensive understanding of the stock. So this integrated approach allows for better trading decision and offer valuable insight that purely technical or fundamental analysis alone might miss. So If I give a summary, so while predicting stock price is really complex due to the myriad of influencing factor, leveraging the insight from social media and integrating actually a multiple analysis approach can significantly enhance our predictive capability. So about key factors in the stock price movement. So firstly, market sentiment is as I told you, incredibly inflational, and the sentiment also reflect the overall attitude of investors toward a particular stock in the market. It doesn't matter, is it cryptocurrencies, gold, or other things. It can be shaped by many things, including public announcements, social media activity, and if I want to say some small example, when a company announced that it's adopting a specific cryptocurrency, for instance, probably you have heard about PayPal maybe years ago, or even a well-known influencer actually endorse some stock, this event can lead up a sharp increase in market value. And our research highlights the importance of monitoring and analyzing sentiment from various sources to get a clear picture of its impact on the stock market. Let's talk about actually the machine learning models we utilize for this study. So let's talk about talk about Prophet model. Prophet was developed by the Facebook, especially for time series forecasting. This model is designed to handle daily observation that may, exhibit actually complex pattern. And one of the key strengths of Prophet is the simplicity and robustness, and can generate response like 3 seconds to 10 seconds based on your actual device. So it's really fast, and also the outcome is really good. And also we have used the LSTM model, which stands for long short-term memory network. And LSTM type of the recurrent neural network, specially tailored for sequence data, which is exactly what the stock price actually is. And this model excels at capturing long-term dependencies within the time series. And we choose Prophet for its simplicity and ability to quickly identify overall trends, and LSTM for its powerful, actually, capability to capture detailed long-term dependencies in our time series data. Okay, let's talk about methodologies. Okay. For historical data, I want to talk about the data source. So for historical data, we turn to Yahoo Finance, and this platform allows us to gather extensive performance data for various financial instruments, including stock, ETF, mutual fund, cryptocurrencies, and other things. This historical data serve as a backbone of our predictive model, providing the necessary context and trends over the long term. And for sentiment data, we use Twitter. By leveraging the Twitter API, we were able to collect tweets from influential users and specific hashtag relevant to our targeted stock. So this real-time data captured the latest market sentiment, which is crucial for our model. So, okay, let's go through the analysis step we follow in this step. Okay, like every project, data preparation. So this step is all about cleaning and structuring the data. And for sentiment analysis, use advanced model like Roberta and the text blob. And for time series prediction, we use LSTM and Prophet. And in trend prediction, we combine the results from our sentiment analysis and time series prediction using a weighted average approach. So these steps help us actually determine the overall market trend by integrating both the sentiment and the technical actually analysis. Well, okay, let's talk about the sentiment analysis. So as I told you, we use Roberta and TextPlot, but mostly we use Roberta. Roberta, which stands for a robustly optimized BERT approach is a powerful model fine-tuned specifically for sentiment analysis of English text. It efficiently capture the context and the nouns in language and making it really actually accurate for sentiment analysis. And the the process is really so. First of all, you need to pre-process your data, and after that, we need to doing some sentiment scoring. So with the output of Roberta is, for instance, -1, 0, and 1, which indicate -1 is for negative, 0 for neutral, and 1 for a positive sentiment. And this scoring actually help us aggregate the overall sentiment toward actually a specific stock or the market in general, actually. Okay, so for the time series prediction model, as I told you, we use LSTM and Prophet. If I want to talk about its architecture, so we have input layer. So this layer receive a historical data, stock price data. For LSTM layer, this is actually the heart of the model, and it pre-process the sequential data through memory cell. And the output layer, finally, this layer actually generate the model's prediction based on the process data. This was for LSTM, and for the Prophet also. Prophet is really straightforward. So Prophet is designed actually to handle daily observation, even in the presence of missing data, and I really love about it. And it can, it can model multiple actual seasonal pattern, making it really robust for time series data. And as I told you, it's really user friendly. And I try to use mean absolute error, or MAE, to measure the actually error in the prediction. And in summary, by actually leveraging LSTM ability to capture long-term, long dependency and profit robustness in handling daily observation, we enhance our stock price trend prediction accuracy. Well, let's talk about the results. Okay. First, I'm starting with the LSTM. The LSTM model has shown a high degree of accuracy in capturing the dynamic of the market, with the mean absolute error around 520. And one of the strengths of LSTM is actually to handle various time intervals. So it's really good. And for Prophet, the Prophet model excel in providing quick prediction, which is crucial for time-sensitive, actually, trading scenarios. And the MA was 2,525. Maybe. Actually, it's the speed and robustness making the Prophet a really valuable tool for if you want to if you need actually for a rapid decision making. And if I want to talk about the trend prediction, we integrate the range of LSTM and Prophet and sentiment score, and we try to create a comprehensive and accurate trend prediction by combining the output of each of this model. And together, they provide a really holistic view of market movement. And if I want, in summary, while LSTM provide a precise and detailed predictions, Prophet offer quick and robustness forecast. And by combining both model with sentiment analysis, we create a powerful tool for stock price prediction. If I want to talk about the result,
going well. Just watch the time a little bit.
Okay, it's almost done. This is the actual Bitcoin prediction using the LSTM, and probably you can see how fit is it. And this is for Bitcoin forecast using Prophet. And okay. in the end, if I want to talk about orally, our study demonstrates that combining machine learning model with sentiment analysis offer a robust method for predicting a stock price trend. This integration approach leveraged the strength of both technical and sentiment analysis, and you can see the also output in the table. So in summary, when you combine when you rely on single model, probably you can't actually generate a really good, an accurate prediction for the stock price. But combining and adding more model, probably you can generate a really better output. So for summary and conclusion, our research showed that the integration machine learning model with sentiment, as I told you, it's a really accurate way. And if I want to talk about the practical implications, so for investor and financial analysis, this model can serve as a powerful comprehensive tool, and you can change it with it, use it against of a traditional analysis method. And for the future work, I want to work on adding more actually machine learning model, and of course automatic system. Another exciting direction is the development of automatic actually system that continuously integrates system sentiment analysis and time series forecasting. Okay, my name is Arian. Thank you very much for your attention. So if you have any question, I would really love to answer that.